Hi, I'm Anna, a 25-year-old adventurer. Today I'm in my trusty brown leather jacket, a grey turtleneck, and ripped blue jeans. My favourite worn-out boots complete the look. I dress for comfort, always ready for a spontaneous hike or coffee date.
My jeans. They're faded from so many washes. They used to be a dark blue, but now they look more gray. I guess that's what happens when you wear the same jeans all the time.
I'm Lisa, 32, a corporate consultant. I wear a navy blazer, white silk blouse, and tailored black trousers. My pointed heels add confidence, while my pearl earrings give a touch of class. Dressing sharp isn't just a habit, it's a statement.
My shirt got a small tear near the shoulder. I tried to cover it, but it's still noticeable. These shoes are killing me. They're way too tight and make my feet hurt after just a few minutes of walking.
And my jacket, well, it's a bit old, and the sleeves are frayed at the ends.
As my sweater. It's gotten a bit loose recently. I don't know if it's because I wore it too much or just because it's stretched, but it feels like it's hanging off me now. My jeans are starting to look a bit rough. They're ripped at the knees, but I think it looks kind of cool.
My favourite sweater didn't survive the last wash. Now it's totally shrunken and doesn't fit me the same. It used to be so warm and cosy, but now it feels a little tight. I should have been more careful.
My pants aren't looking too great either. They got dirty while I was outside doing yard work. I thought they'd be fine, but now they're a mess.
Today I looked at my shirt and thought, I really need to iron this. It's so wrinkled that I almost look like I slept in it.
This morning I put on my t-shirt and guess what? There's a huge stain on it from yesterday's coffee. I didn't even notice until now.
Lately, I've been feeling really tired and dizzy. I also feel a little nauseous, especially after eating. My stomach is upset, and I don't have much of an appetite. I think I ate something that didn't agree with me.
This morning my head feels heavy, and it hurts a lot, especially when I look at bright lights. I've tried drinking water and taking a break, but the pain just won't go away. Maybe I need more rest.
This is a picture of me from a special night. My shoulder-length, wavy, fair hair was styled just how I like it. I was wearing a pink evening dress that felt perfect for the occasion. The soft colour made me feel comfortable and confident. I also put on some earrings to add a little sparkle.
So this is me. I went for a relaxed, casual look with a striped shirt and a red scarf to add a pop of color. I paired it with some comfy blue pants and my favorite red sneakers. They're perfect for walking around town. I kept my hair short and wavy, and I think the headband adds a nice touch.
You sound different today. Are you sick?
Yeah, my throat hurts a lot when I talk or swallow.
That's annoying. Have you tried warm water with honey?
Not yet. I'll try that.
It helps me when I have a sore throat.
Thanks.
Why are you limping? Did you hurt yourself?
Yes, I twisted my ankle while running. Now it's swollen.
Oh no, that sounds painful. Can you walk on it?
Not really. It hurts when I put weight on it.
You should rest and put some ice on it.
This person has long curly brown hair and is wearing a red dress with gold necklace. She is also holding a blue handbag. Can you guess who it is? This person is wearing a red shirt, blue jeans and white sneakers. She has medium-length fair hair. Who is she? He has short blonde hair, a blue hoodie and black ripped jeans. He's also wearing white sneakers and a blue cap. Who could he be? She's wearing a yellow raincoat and a pair of large sunglasses. Her hair is straight and tied back in a ponytail. Who do you think she is? This person is wearing a striped blue, red and white shirt, blue pants and a pair of red trainers. He also has curly black hair and big watch on his left wrist. Who might this be? He has spiky black hair, a leather jacket, ripped jeans and black boots. He also has a scarf wrapped around his neck. Who could he be? You don't look well. Are you okay?
Not really. I have a runny nose and I keep sneezing.
Oh no, do you have a fever too?
Maybe I feel really tired and cold.
You should rest and drink some hot tea. Why do you have a bandage on your finger?
I cut it while I was cooking.
Ouch! Was it a bad cut?
A little, but it's okay now. I just need to be careful.
Be sure to keep it clean.
If it is very cold outside, I wear a winter coat. A lady wears a bra and panties as underwear. A man wears boxer or jockey shorts as underwear. Today, I am wearing a blouse and a pair of jeans over my underwear. I have socks and shoes on my feet.